Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I have this wooden panel which is 12 inch by 12 inch in size. By the way, I bought this from dollar store. They are selling it now, so it's only $3, which is okay, even though it's not $1, but I would say it's okay. I would take it any day. Anyway, so today I'm from my kitchen. I'm going to do a simple bloom. The colors that I have today is, let me show you. This one is Indian Yellow from Triad. This one is TLP, Groovy and Ganache mixed together. Nickel Azo Gold from Golden. Rich Gold. It's Or Rich Iridescent from PBO. This one is from Prism Pour, and I mixed these two colors together. One is called, let me see, Wintergreen, and the other one is Midnight Shadow. Mix these two colors together to get that color. Everything is mixed with my regular pouring mix, which is Behr Dynasty polyurethane, and the other one is Sonia, and my cell activator, which is Triad. It's cobalt teal. So these are my colors today. So let me zoom out a bit. This is a 12 inch by 12 inch wooden panel, and let's do some swipe with Faux Basecoat, I guess. Let's try. Okay, so let's start. First, I'm going to start with some Basecoat, which is basically Gidden Essential. And this is very important. You have to make sure that you have enough paint on your surface, but not enough that it will, like everything will run out of the, your design will run out of the surface. You don't want that. So it's kind of tricky since I'm working in my kitchen and this is my not my regular workstation. I have things that are not where they are supposed to be, so bear with me. So what I'm doing is, first I am going to start with some Indian Yellow from Triad. Then I'm going to layer Nickel Azo Gold. My gold was getting thicker, so I added some Sonia. Anyway, so here we are. Then comes my greatest invention, which is ganache and groovy mixed together. My most favorite thing in this world. I cannot tell you how lucky. Every time I do a painting with this, I feel lucky because it turns out always it turns out really good. So here we are. Okay, now I'm going to use this mixture as my faux base. So let's do this. The idea is layering a thin layer of paint on top of the other colors and hide them. This style was invented by Jessica WinterStorm. I will link her page in my description section. You can go and watch her, and she does beautiful things. The magic happens. It looks like it's nothing, but wait till you see what happens. Magic. So then what she does is she uses a spatula or a swiping tool. I'm going to use this one from TLP, and she basically puts her cell activator underneath this, on top of the, oops, I ruined probably. Now I added some gold with the turquoise, but the thing is, gold is not the cell activator, so I don't know how it's going to go. Okay, so now, do you see this little speck of different color? I am going to go underneath and I'm going to bring that out. Do you see the idea what I'm doing? Whoa. This time I mixed the gold and the turquoise. Let's see. Honestly, here less is more, but I don't have any self-control. That's my problem. I always go overboard, which is not a good idea with this pattern or this design. Okay, so let's see what magic happens. And let's see if the prism pour is a good faux surface. I'm going to get rid of some bubbles. Okay, let's see. Oops, see my makeshift thing is not working well. It is supposed to, I did the math. What's wrong? You see what is happening? The other colors are shining through. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This style creates this whimsical look. It's so beautiful. It's like silhouette, kind of like galaxy from a different world. It'll make you happy. Trust me, try this. It's so pretty. Wow, just wow. Oh, wow. It reminds me of Aurora Boreal. I feel like my cell activator was not very helpful on this one because I don't know, somehow, oops, my bad. But other than that, I'm loving this. I will show you once it dries. And the thing is, there's let me show you. Here, look at this, the shades of my faux base coat. So somewhere it's dark, somewhere it's light, and it creates this whimsical look. And then the other colors are showing up, but they are not very prominent. So it's so pretty, so pretty. I am loving this. I'm just thinking if I can enhance it in any way. but I feel like if I want to do that, I will mess it up. So my wise choice would be just leave it alone, let it be. So I will show you once it dries how it turns out for sure. So for now I will let it sit and dry. You know what, bunch of bubbles. You are not supposed to torch your blooms, but I am going to do it anyway because I see some bubbles. Okay, let me bring you in. So beautiful. I will let it dry now, and once it dries, I will show you the dried result. So this is the dried result. So a couple of things I want to mention. The faux layer that we put on the base, as you can see, some part of the layer I had more paint, some of the places I had less paint, so it created that whimsical look which is really special in this technique. The paint, it doesn't need any like final coat or something because it's very shiny because of the varnish mixed into the mixes. However, one thing I want to mention, make sure that your base or the cell activators are very thick. The reason is you can see they kind of sunk. So later on I will go and I will use a cobalt color pen to draw on top of this to make sure that my my cell activators show up. But other than that, it's really pretty. Look at the whimsical look, and it dried really nicely. So as you can see, the colors and everything, it's so pretty. So thank you so much for joining me today. And since I did not paint for a while, I am struggling to have enough interaction on my YouTube channel. So if you guys watch my videos, I would really appreciate leave some comments and hit the like button or something, some kind of engagement. That would be really helpful for my channel. So until next time, bye.